Hello guys, how are you all? What do you think? What are we gonna do today? I will tell you, we are going to draw a xylophone. One, two. Draw a smaller one now. Oh wow, it's the smallest. Let's make the stick. One more stick. Do you love to play xylophone? Do you know how to play a xylophone? Sketchy, sketchy. Oh wow, so beautiful. Brown color. Red color. Brown color. Let's fill the colors. Red color. Fill the colors very carefully. Orange color. I will teach you how to play a xylophone in the end. Its sound is so relaxing. Orange color. Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Green color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Red.
the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Orange.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow. Green. Oh wow, it's so colorful. Blue. Purple. Our xylophone is so colorful. Wow.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six.
Red color. Orange, yellow, green. Green color, yellow color, orange color, blue and purple. Uh-oh. our xylophone is playing. Do you like the sound? It's very musical. So relaxing. Yay! Try to play with me. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you guys. Let's meet each other in next video. So, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.